Kaunti ya Nairobi niyo itongoretie hari WUICI no thukagia wa indo iria ihuthikaga gutambia hinya wa thitima igicokererwo ni kaunti ya Kiambu, Embu o undu umwe na kaunti ya Machakos. Hathara ya muigana wa ciringi mirioni 78 niyo kambuni ya Kenya Power itarite ihinda-ini ria mieri 5 mihituku naguo mwaka muhituku. Transformer cia muigana wa ciringi mirioni 328 ikeiyo. Murugamiriri wa kambuni ino akiuga WUICI uyu ukoretwo ugicokia na thutha uheani wa motungata kuri muingi.
But nowadays somebody loses power for 1 hour and he'll actually tell you I've been without power for 3 days. And he's right. If you look at the weight of that 1 hour, it actually equals 3 days. By virtue of the level of addiction and the level to which we are using power in almost everything that we actually do. So despite the significant role of Kenya Power plays in ensuring uninterrupted connectivity,
kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa Kenya Power Joseph Sirol, transformer iria ciagwo icokaga kwendio iri ta cuma nguru naguo thukagia wa indo ugacungiriria kura gwa thitima na kurugamia mihango iria twalithagio na mbere kuhitukira hinya wa thitima.
It may just have caused an outage in an hospital, and there might have been some people who are in ICU, who are in HDU, who as a result of that might just lose their lives.
Thiini wa mucemanio uria utabanirio ni atongoria a kambuni ino na kiama kia AHUTHIRI a indo gia COFEK maiguithaniirie kunyitanira hari kuhurana na thukagia a indo cia thitima. Atongoria kiama-ini kia uguri na wendia wa cuma nguru makiranira kunyitanira hari kugatha mamwe ma mawatho maria marumagirirwo thuguri-ini iyo,
kwa sababu si lazima watu wa scrap metal wako ndio wamefanya hiyo vandalism. Sometimes rogue drivers wanagonga zile post, zinaanguka. Zikianguka ikikosekana inasemekana ni watu wa scrap metal wamechukua zile chuma.
Hamwe noguo atongoria ya moritie thirikari kurugamia mihango ya wendia wa cuma nguru nja wa bururi na makiria waya iria iri na copper, aluminium o undu umwe na iron. WUICI wacio niguo ukoretwo wihiriirie.
There are just a few people who are actually messing this up, because I know, for example, the ones that we've had, I think, to cancel license, I think they're about 26 out of 800 and something. So these are few individuals that are just trying to mess up the business.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.